Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can add your HONOR X6b using the email number to the ime.info lost/stolen database. All you have to do to get your email number is to just dial this number in a blue bold text right here, and then if you have it already, just type it in the ime.info website right here. Press check email. And now if you scroll down, you'll find some basic info, and in the basic checks you'll find lost device add. And here you'll find the form that you need to fill out, and then press just report lost stolen email, and when something comes up you can just check right here in the lost device check. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.